The Chinese fishing nets, locally known as Chinavala, are conspicuous in Fort Kochi. The huge cantilevered fishing nets are the legacy of one of the first visitors to the Malabar coast. Erected here between 1350 and 1450 AD by traders from the court of Kublai Khan, these nets are set up on teak wood and bamboo poles. Done manually, catching fish using this type of net can be witnessed usually in the morning and early evening. Outstretched nets suspended over the sea are pulled up and lowered down by large stones suspended from ropes as counterweights. Each installation is operated by a team of up to 6 fishermen. The net is left for a short time, possibly just a few minutes, before it is raised. The catch is usually modest, and these may be sold to passers-by within minutes.